Hello everybody, this is Thranduil from Keep It Simple, and today we are going to work through a question from paper 1 mock set 3. This is question 4. Here is a kite. All angles are measured in degrees. Work out the value of y. Okay, first thing is first, this side has a dash and this side has a dash. That indicates that these two sides are the same length. We have two dashes on this side and two dashes on this side. That indicates that these two sides are also the same length. That means that this angle here must be equal to this bottom angle here. So we can form an equation to work out x. If we can work out the value of x, we'll know these two angles, and then we'll be able to work out y, because we know that the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. So let's create our equation. 3x plus 10 equals 5 open bracket x minus 10. We're going to expand this set of brackets, so we're going to get 3x plus 10 is equal to 5 times x is 5x, 5 times minus 10 is minus 50. Now when you're solving an equation and you have x's or a letter on both sides, try and eliminate the one that's smaller. So we're going to minus 3x from both sides. That's going to leave us with 10 is equal to, so 5x take away 3x will give us 2x minus 50. I'm now going to add 50 to both sides. So we have 60 equals 2x, and then you divide both sides by 2. So 30 equals x. Now we need to work out the value of y. So now that we worked out x, we're going to substitute it into, let's substitute into this one. So we're going to have 3 times 30 plus 10. BIDMAS states that we must do our multiplication first before we do our addition. So 3 times 30 is 90. 90 plus 10 will give us 100. Now you know that this angle here and this angle here are the same, therefore we can assume that this angle here is also 100. So we have an angle here that's 110 plus an angle at the top that's 100 plus the angle at the bottom that's 100 plus y. So these are our 4 angles in the kite, and we know that all of that must be equal to 360. So let's collect the like terms. In this case we're going to collect the numbers. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 110 is 310 plus y equals 360. I'm going to minus 310 from both sides, and that should give us the value of y. So 360 take away 310 must be 50. So y is equal to 50 degrees. So this in question involves us knowing the properties of a kite, and then knowing that this angle here, this angle here are equal. So we have to create an equation, work out what x is, substitute it back in, and then subtract that from 360, and that will give us the value of y. I hope this video was useful and you learned something. Please hit like and subscribe. This is Thranduil from Keep It Simple, signing out.